Hello, and welcome to this informational video brought to you by the Alaska DMV. In this video, we will walk you through the process of transferring an Alaska title. Whether you're buying or selling a vehicle, this step-by-step video will assist you in the process. Let's get started. On the Alaska title, make sure all sections are filled out accurately, including the odometer reading, buyer and seller information, and signatures from both parties. When purchasing a used vehicle, it is always best practice to retrieve a vehicle history report before completing the purchase. This will ensure that the vehicle's history is clean and free from issues, protecting you from legal and financial troubles down the road. To retrieve a vehicle history report, please visit our website at dmv.alaska.gov, scroll down and select New Vehicle Purchase. Then, click on the Vehicle History link. Next, select Vehicle Data Provider List. Finally, you will be given a variety of websites that offer vehicle history reports for purchase. The vehicle can only be transferred using the most current title. Ensure that the title number matches that of the report. Additionally, it is crucial to double-check that the odometer information from the report matches up with what is on the title. Remember to always protect yourself as the buyer. Let's take a look at the front side of the title. This section must be filled out completely by the seller and free of errors. First, the odometer section must reflect the current odometer reading of the vehicle. Secondly, the date of sale must be filled in to reflect the date of sale of that vehicle. If there is an "and" conjunction between owners, both must sign the title. If not, only one signature is required by the seller. Next, if there are any liens on the vehicle, ensure the lien holder section is properly filled out and signed, or that there is a lien release letter. The seller's sales receipt at the bottom of the title is to protect both the seller and the buyer during the transfer of the title. The seller will fill out all the information required, then the buyer will sign to acknowledge the information transcribed. To file this information with the Alaska DMV, please visit dmv.alaska.gov. From here, click on the Vehicle tab. Then scroll down to Vehicle or Boat Sale. From here, enter all the information on the slip, such as the buyer's name, address, and date of sale. Next, on the back of the title, the buyer will fill out all the required information, such as the buyer's name, address, vehicle plate number, the vehicle purchase price, and finally, the buyer's signature. Double-check for any mistakes, as errors can delay the transfer process. It is always best practice if the seller joins the buyer on their adventure to the Alaska DMV. This process will ensure that if there are any errors, they can be solved right away. When entering the Alaska DMV, make way over to the kiosks. Here you will enter in the transaction type, as well as your phone number. You will then be issued with a ticket number. After receiving a ticket number, pick up and fill out a Form V1 or Vehicle Application Form. One of our subject matter experts will call your ticket number and they will walk you through the process of transferring the title. If the license plate is missing or in poor condition, you will be given the chance to pick out your favorite Alaska license plate. Once the transaction has been completed, you can pay by cash, check, or credit card. And that's it. You've successfully transferred an Alaska title for your new vehicle. You will walk away with a new title, all in your name, as well as a vehicle registration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our website at dmv.alaska.gov or give us a call at 907-269-5551. Thank you, and drive safe, Alaska.